When I realized that a low-carb diet was the right approach for managing my diabetes, I sat on my kitchen floor and I cried. I thought that meant the end of baking for me. I thought I was losing part of my identity. I started the blog just before I decided to go on a low-carb diet. I wanted a place to record what I was doing. Some of the most amazing devoted followers have been with me the whole 9 years. I have 4 cookbooks that are out and 2 more on their way. The wheels start turning and I think, how can I make a low-carb version of this? When you start to rely on certain ingredients, those ingredients need to be the best quality that you can have. One of my more popular recipes is the maple bacon pancake muffins. And you can see why. I mean, there's maple, there's bacon, and they taste like pancakes, but you can take them with you. I think I had a couple of choices. I could have tried to take medication, or I could manage it myself through diet and exercise, and that's what I chose to do. Keto, it's not just a diet, it's about improving your overall health. A keto or a low-carb diet is not at all restrictive. If you don't think about being limited, but you think about what you can eat, you see so many more possibilities. I love to cook and bake, and I do dream about food all day.